Hey everyone, good morning to all of you. So today I'm gonna discuss about how you can practice your English by using online platforms. So in my previous video, I discussed about what type of grammars you have to learn and how much grammar you have to learn. So if you have started your journey and if you're thinking that from where I can learn grammars, from where I can take grammar lessons, I don't have any teacher, I don't have any friend who can teach me, so I'm here to help you. I'm here to tell you that how you can learn grammars, or how you can take grammar lessons, or from where. So we all know that we are in digital era, right? We have a lot of advantages. We have a lot of online platforms from where we can learn everything, from where we can take advantages. So you just need to make a strong mindset that I will learn, I will take grammar lessons, and I will practice. So you have to take your own responsibility. I'm here to guide you, I'm here to help you, and I'm here to give you suggestions how you can take grammar lessons, or how you can practice your English. I'm not here to make you speak in English, right? You have to take your own decision, and you have to take your own responsibility. So as we are in a digital era and we have everything, we have every advantages, so you can practice or you can learn your grammars or anything from online platforms. So there are a lot of online platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and many more. And to me, YouTube is the best platform to learn anything. So if you use YouTube for learning purpose, it will be better for you. Don't waste your time by scrolling, don't waste your time by watching unnecessary reels or unnecessary videos. Just watch what helps you. Just watch the videos which are in English, because it will be helpful for you and you will be able to understand English more easily and effortlessly. So yes, you can use YouTube and as well as Facebook for learning your English. I have been doing like this since when I started my English journey, and just convert all your app languages in English, so that you will be able to understand English more easily and you will be surrounded by English. So in this way you can practice. And you know what, I go to the field for practicing my English, for making videos. But as for last 2 days it's raining, and you can see there are water in the field, and the field is full of mud, so I couldn't go to practice, or I couldn't go to make my English videos there. So this is why today I am on our rooftop, and I'm practicing my English here. So you can practice your English from anywhere. You just need to make a strong mindset, and you just need to have a strong willpower that no matter how difficult it is, no matter how much time it will take, I will learn. So just keep focusing on your dreams, and just keep focusing on learning. And if you have a desire, if you have a dream like me, like the other persons, to speak in English, just start your journey and don't fear of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistake, I also make mistake, and every learners make mistake. So just keep learning, and keep focusing on your goal, and practice every single day. Don't forget to practice, because practice is the key to become a fluent and good speaker. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you are watching the video till the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any kind of questions, don't forget to, or feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm always here to help you, to guide you, and to give you all the answers of your questions. So thank you. Best luck for everyone.